Welcome from our booth at Anuga FoodTech in Cologne. In the coming minutes we want to look at some of the highlights from our booth and also visit some of our customers to see how they use these highlights in their machines. With me is Frank Wirtner. Frank, what is the connection between Beckhoff and FoodTech?
Food and beverage has to be always processed and packed. And we want to be very closely at the customer to recognize early trends.
And what are some of the trends that you recognized in these past days?
One trend for sure is the different packaging material and the optical inspection for the goods.
And how we support our customers in these optical inspections is what we want to look at next with Bernd Stöber and the Vision portfolio. Bernd, what are we presenting here on the show?
We show here our industrial cameras, lenses, different multicolor illuminations and the functional combination form our compact unit.
And what's the main benefit for our customers that we are now offering these components?
We integrated EtherCAT-P in all these sort of devices, so we have a synchronization with high precision to any machine process and a perfect integration in the system. We can control each parameter directly from the PLC.
And how Beckhoff lives integration also in different parts of our portfolio is what we're looking at now with the MX system. Andres, what is the MX system?
At Beckhoff, we believe in a future of automation without a cabinet. For that reason, we developed the MX system, which comes dust and water protected.
And how does the system work?
It all starts with the backplane. On this backplane, I add modular my devices like my industrial PC or my I/O cards.
And what's the main benefit for the customer?
So the benefits are that I have less components, which reduces the effort in cabling as well as planning and documentation.
Thank you, Andres. As promised, we're going to look at some of our customers' machines next. So this is where I'm limping now. We're very happy that Multivac is just one hall over from our booth, or I must say I'm especially happy. Marius, can you please introduce to us what you're presenting here on the show?
Yeah, surely, Daniel. Multivac, as a manufacturer of full lines and automatic line solutions, is especially proud this year to present a whole portfolio of different slicing applications for smaller applications as well as for the really extended applications. And here right now we are in front of one of our automatic packaging lines, also with a slicer up front, and we're presenting the Multivac line control.
Could you show us some more things about the line control, please?
Yeah, surely. The Multivac line control is our easy and efficient solution how our customers can operate our lines. It's especially good for changing over articles very quickly and easily. And of course, everything is based on a Beckhoff IPC.
Thank you very much, Marius. And now we're heading over to our next customer. We're very happy that also the company Buhmann is a long-standing partner of Beckhoff. With me is Ms. Buhmann. Ms. Buhmann, can you please introduce the company briefly?
Yeah, Buhmann is an innovation leader in packaging automation since years. We built end-of-line machine, carton erectors, picking lines and so on for the food and non-food industry.
And how did the partnership between Buhmann and Beckhoff start off?
Yeah, both of our founding fathers are very much into innovations and technology, and that is our companies nowadays as well, and I think that brings us together all the time.
And can you highlight some of the innovations from Beckhoff that you've used in your machine?
Sure, we have first of all the Beckhoff AMP servo technology, but also the XTS system, the magnetic transport system, which we built in our C700 carton erectors for high-speed applications, for trays, and without the XTS technology it wouldn't have been possible in this speed.
We're very glad to hear that. Thank you very much for being part of our brief overview from the show, and I hope we will keep working together well in the future.
Thank you.
Thank you for being part of this brief overview. I hope you have some questions for us. Please do not hesitate to ask them. Thank you very much and see you next time.